doing an unboxing video of the prize I won from Iridium242, and here it is. It's a battery charger from iEGrow, and sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. It is a smart charger LED display. I won it on his last giveaway. It can charge AA's and 8052s. I believe that's. Oops, sorry. So this is the battery charger. It can charge with the bigger batteries. It can charge. It could be used as a recharging device for like phones and things like that, like a battery bank. But so that's what I got, and this is my first unboxing video. So sorry if it's a little bit choppy. I'll be working on that. So thank you, Iridium242, for the chance to win this, and I'm glad that I got it.